Hi there, kids. Christmas is one of the most magical times of the year. But did you know there are some surprising and fun facts about this holiday? Let's dive in and discover 5 amazing facts about Christmas that will make you say, wow! Fact number 1. The very first Christmas trees were used in Germany in the 16th century. People decorated them with candles, fruits, and nuts. Can you imagine a tree glowing with real candles instead of electric lights? Fact number 2. Santa didn't always wear red. A long time ago, he wore green, blue, or even brown suits. The red suit we know today became popular in the 1930s, thanks to some colorful advertisements. Doesn't he look jolly? Fact number 3. Did you know that Christmas wasn't always celebrated on December 25th? Historians believe this date was chosen to match a Roman festival celebrating the winter. Fact number 4. The world's biggest snowman was built in Maine, USA, in 2008. It stood an incredible 122 feet tall. That's as high as a 12-story building. Imagine how many snowballs it took to build that. Fact number 5. Jingle Bells wasn't written for Christmas. It was originally created for a Thanksgiving celebration in 1857, but it became so popular during Christmas that it's now one of the most famous holiday songs. So there you have it, 5 fun facts about Christmas. Now you can impress your friends and family with your holiday knowledge. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning.